what's inside. So if you want your camera to stop looking like this, flickering, to be looking like this is what you have to do, guys.
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, today, guys. So you all see the title, you all see the thumbnail, so you definitely have an understanding of what this video is about, yeah? Yes, man. So we are get straight into it. But before that, please give this video a thumbs up. Yes, man, and subscribe if you're new, yeah? Alright, so probably you have looked up this video while you're here, or you're just generally a subscriber of mine or a YouTuber, you know, in general. So this video is for someone that owns a GoPro, I would say, because this settings is called the anti-flicker. Something that a lot of YouTubers, some of even my favorite YouTubers I see have this problem, because when they go into a shopping mall, a supermarket, the light always flickers a lot, where it's like, for you as the viewer, it's very like dazzling to the eye, you know. It doesn't look good at all while you're watching the footage. So these settings I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix the anti-flicker. Yeah, so we're gonna get straight into that video. So let's go now. See, all flickers. Oh, bad is that flicker. So if you want your camera to stop looking like this, flickering, to be looking like this is what you have to do, guys. Look at that. No more flicker. The light doesn't affect it. So let's get into it, the settings. Guys, so there's nothing to this really, so it's very basic settings. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your GoPro is turned on, and then you want to pull down the screen, then you want to slide across over into preference. Once you get into preference, you want to go into general, scroll all the way down. You're gonna see anti-flicker, and it says also 68Z on your right hand corner there, so you want to click into that. And so what generally happens is that once you're in the United States, it's generally on 68Z. Once you leave out of the United States and go to other countries, that's when you're experiencing all the flickering of the lights, right? Because it's manufactured in America, the settings is all set to America, right? So I'm living in Australia, so what I have to do is change it over to 50HZ right there. So you want to click that, and that's it. Simply, you're done. And you go right, and right there, this is what you'll get. You get a perfect settings of no more flickering of the lights. So welcome back to the channel, guys. So I have bought myself, it's a brand new media mod. Yeah, so this is something that you use to connect to the GoPro. It goes around the GoPro, and you can attach your external microphones, your lights, and other equipments, USB. Yeah, so there's a bunch of stuff you can connect with this by having this. So got the package today from the mail. That's what it looks like, guys. This thing that goes around here. Yeah, the media mod. So we're gonna unbox it. See what's inside? Ooh. Oh, so that's what it looks like. So this is the media mod, guys. Yeah, beautiful. Right here you get for the mountain here as well. Just gonna fit that up on the GoPro and see what it looks like. So here I have the GoPro 11. First thing what you want to do is pop this open. So you take off that part of the GoPro. And for this now, should be some kind of opening here somewhere. Let's figure this out, guys. Okay, yeah, we got it there. And I think it should go like this. I think we got it. That looks about right. Yeah. There we go, guys. The medium, I don't think this goes over here, so this should also give me better audio quality. Also, when it's windy, I believe it should help. So yeah, this is really nice. Do I put this piece over now? Yeah, it should look like this. That looks about right. Makes the GoPro look way huger though, but should be good. Should be good, guys. Let's turn on the GoPro. Oh wow, look what comes up. It already detected media mod connected. This mic is set to front. Tap video settings, change it. A shortcut. You can see these little slots here. You can connect like your microphone or your light and different accessories. Yeah. So thing to know is that by using the media mod, you cannot go in water with it like this. You have to take off the media mod and then replace it back to the normal way the GoPro is made. Yeah, if you're gonna go in water. So bear in mind, it's not waterproof anymore once this is on. Yeah, man. And at the back here, you'll also find the plugins for the microphone, USB cables, and stuff like that. Okay, so that's where they're all located. So it's pretty nice, pretty versatile camera. So there you have it. Connect to the media mod. We're gonna test the wind sound on a day when it's windy, so stay tuned for that.
Here we are in the pools.
This isn't a pool, this is a beach.
Oh,
I wonder the audio. I really want to test the audio and the wind. So we're about to test.
yeah.
About to test the audio of this media pod in the wind. This is a lookout. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, guys. Ooh. It's the first I've seen it like this. Tide is low, you can see the rocks. Hopefully the wind is not too strong. Alright guys, so this is without the media pod. So here the audio quality will be any different, any similar. Yeah, let's see if it makes a difference. Let me know in the comments. And also for the media mod guys, after editing the video, what I've realized is that it doesn't really make the audio better in terms of when you're talking, but for the wind it cuts back some of the noise of the wind. So in that sense it works, but not perfectly well, you know. But as I said guys, the reason why I got this media mod is also, the main reason is to attach wireless mic and also light. So by the time I get all of these stuff for it, it will be like a full vlogging camera, you get me? So yeah, so that's the main reason. But enjoy the rest of the video guys. Just sightseeing of Ballina.
We on a roll now. Let's go now. We on a roll now. Let's go now. Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Stand firm, in a this I get the yan. Stand firm, never sell out for vanity. Stand firm, get a youths watch the moves emerge. Got the evil is near, them coming for your share. So stand firm, in a this I get the yan. Stand firm, never sell out for vanity. Stand firm, get a youths watch the moves emerge. Got the evil is near, them coming for your share.
No listen to the hidden, them a chat. You know see them a fool, them a real dopey bad. Them sit down for your name, every day them plan up, them a plot. Yes, them dig them hole, them set them trap. And I open up press, I in the you got drop. But them never know say Jaja of your back. Now them a talk, doesn't love them, make them chat. Cause when the lightning strike and the thunder hit the clap, you know if you ask,
stand firm, in a this I get the yan. Stand firm, never sell out for vanity. Stand firm, get a youths watch the moves emerge. Got the evil is near, them coming for your share. So stand firm, in a this I get the yan. Stand firm, never sell out for vanity. Stand firm, get a youths watch the moves emerge. Got the evil is near, them coming for your share.
I stand firm like the pyramids of Egypt. Loving on my heart and that's how I keep it. Call Panja, the I strength when I need it. The pain inside I alone can feel it. Real and fake people we have to deal with. It's part of life, so what them we have to live with. I know have much, but I still give. Firm like a tree, not the ground where the Lord give. Call it me half, I hate the Lord give. Not sell out my friends, them no matter how I want live. Forget the hit song, no time I not switch. Meditation firm, so my meds me not go lose it now.
So stand firm, in a this I get the yan. Stand firm, never sell out for vanity. Stand firm, get a youths watch the moves emerge. Got the evil is near, them coming for your share. So stand firm, in a this I get the yan. Stand firm, never sell out for vanity. Stand firm, get a youths watch the moves emerge. Got the evil is near, them coming for your share.
A free life like a long race, no quasi re-trip. Real friends turn in a real snitch. Once see you sink in a deep ditch, keep it a secret. Goal me a hunt for, yeah me a seek it. Sky is the limit and we know we are reaching. Royal family, sick in brain, so you nah go see we switch. Yeah, you nah go see we switch.
So stand firm, in a this I get the yan. Stand firm, never sell out for vanity. Stand firm, get a youths watch the moves emerge. Got the evil is near, them coming for your share. So stand firm, in a this I get the yan. Stand firm, never sell out for vanity. Stand firm. Get a youths, watch the moves you make. Got the evil is near, they're coming for your share.
How me say them can't catch me, not them trap, them want stretch me. But that boy fetch me, soldiers them now walk left me. Not the valley of the heartless we. So them sharp, yes we. Strap with ancestry, now make them animate. Me no want me live past half century. One nail we down like carpentry, one divide we like geometry. Burn them false history. Pagan them want laugh at me, them try that oftenly. But that can't tempt me, pick up gun and blast 20. Ha,